I'm DJ Cunningham with EZG Manufacturing, and today we will walk you through the process of pairing a new remote with the wireless system on an HP38. So we'll start by removing the cover on the receiver. There's 4 self-retaining screws that we only have to turn a quarter of the way. For the sake of the video, we've already got it loose. We'll go ahead and just pop the cover off. Before starting the next part of the process, we need to turn the key to the run position. Next, we will take our control panel and flip it to radio so that we get power into our box. Next, we will start by pressing the 2 buttons in the box. We'll start with the top button first, and then we'll hit the bottom. Next, we'll start the pairing process with the remote. We start by turning the remote on using button 1. Once the green light is on, we will now hold button 1 and 3 down to do the pairing process. After that, we will start the machine to test to see if we have a successful pair. Next, we will go to our main control box and flip it to the forward position. Now we'll hit button 3 to see if the machine operates as intended. Now that we're done, we'll put our lid back on. And then we press in on our self-retaining screws and turn.